usually I'm speaking about all these type of subjects, which means you're attracted, you're interested, you want it, and you'll get it. Doesn't matter whether you're a woman or a man or big, small, stupid or silly, but everybody in front of me, including the person sitting here, we have hearts. And that's what Krishna wants. He wants hearts. Doesn't matter, oh, I can't memorize Sanskrit. It's okay. Can you say Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna? Yeah, I can say that. That's good. If you have eyes, you can read in Spanish or in German or some other language, these type of shastras. Yes, okay, you read, you chant, you take diksha from Guru, you serve Vaishnavas, and your interest and your greed and your attraction for all these things will be rewarded, because we just heard that Krishna reciprocates. He wants love, he wants hearts, not Sanskrit shlokas. I once, about 40 years ago, I memorized so many shlokas, I've forgotten all because I don't like review them much. But that was the time to do that, and that was, everything has its time. But the main cultivation is, we have to know the tattva, we have to know the philosophy, but the main cultivation is the cultivation of the heart. The cultivation of the mind, the cultivation of the heart, and the purifying of the mind to remove all the shamshaya. Arjuna is a nitya parishad, and he has so many doubts. Why does he have so many doubts in the Bhagavad Gita? Because Krishna even finally says, are all your doubts finally gone? Are you ready to surrender? Are you finally, all your doubts about Guru Tattva and all these things are finally gone?